Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I do reviews, repairs for Toyota Lexus, and I do a lot of testing on motor oil products and so on. So you're probably wondering, what is this that I'm showing you? Well, I'm showing you guys exhaust manifold on Ford F-150. No, it's not a 5.4 engine. This is a 5.0. It has the same exhaust manifold rust issues as 5.4. So today I'm going to show you the same rust issues on the engine that Ford had on 5.4, it has on 5.0. Look at these bolts on the valve cover. And this is, as you can see, Ford F-150. So, the rust issue didn't go away. Ford did not fix on 5.0 engine. And I'm going to show you some up-close details. Look at the bolts on the valve cover, how badly they rusted. And it's only 2013, you know, low mileage. You can see F-150, you know, the body is in excellent shape. There is no rust on the body. No cap corners rust. Nothing like that. As you can see, clean truck, 2013. Wheel wells not rotted. But, as everyone knows the saying, history repeats itself. So Ford does repeat its own rust issue. Look at the bolts on coils, rust. So if you're on the market for a used F-150, and you know guys, this rust on exhaust manifold and exhaust manifold bolts, it didn't happen overnight. It was in this shape. It didn't happen overnight. So at 5 years old, it's bad. As you can see right there, the heat shield, it's all rusted out. This is the passenger side. Look at the driver's side. Same thing, bolts on coilovers, all rotted. As you can see right there, a bolt on the exhaust manifold. Bolts are rotted pretty badly. And I'm gonna remove the wheel wells and show you guys up close details how bad it is. You know, see that exhaust manifold and how rusted the bolts. Here is the passenger side. Right there is the exhaust manifold, and I don't know why it's so rusted. You know, I don't know how do you prevent the rust? How do you stop that rust? You know, and then look at up closer up there on the valve cover bolts. They're really bad. And leave me in the comment section what you think, if there's a way to stop this. So, just when you're looking at one, consider buying used one, or if you're thinking of buying a new one, remember, 5 years and it's all going to be rusted to the point that you're going to spend more money. Now you know that Ford still has the same issue with the rust, with the exhaust bolts, exhaust manifold bolts, with the exhaust manifolds themselves, they rust. And one of the reasons why they rust is because, well, the main reason, look how open it is. It's like, why do you have such open space? For what? I have noticed that some people, they make their own custom things to cover up, and I'm gonna do the same thing, because I don't want this thing to rust out and needing another engine or exhaust manifold. And same thing on the driver's side. Look how much of the space on wheel wells. It's like, why is it so open? That's the one reason why they rust out. And the second reason, low quality cheap products, cheap metal they use. Ford is using cheap metal, you know. This is why. Look at the bolts, they don't even expose to the moisture. Look at the valve cover bolts. It's like, really? Look how bad, the bolts are gone, rusted out. It's like, look where the sensors out, how rusted. So Ford has an issue with their engines, parts are rusting out. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you.